Wow.
What? Wait a minute. Who are you?
Wow.
Another shot by Efren Bata Reyes. Grabe.
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah.
Swerte lang yun.
Grabe. Tibay talaga ng Efren mga kabilarista sa kiss bull shot. Perfect.
Practice by yourself and who gets lucky is gonna win this.
Efren Bata. Mag-kiss bull pa.
At parang duda ka. Naku patay.
Saktong preparation. Magandang araw po muli mga kabilarista. Sa po ni Efren Bata Reyes ang ating mapapanood ngayon sa araw na to. 2016 AccuStats 1 Packet Invitational Race 4 at final match na po ito mga kabilarista. Efren Reyes versus Shane Van Boening ng USA. Battle on lag. Shane ang nalo sa lag at siya rin ang unang magbe-break sa unang rock. Ang patakaran dito, alternate break. Video credited to sa AccuStats Video Production, courtesy to AccuStats Video Production. For more international videos, billiard videos, just go to the link below of the channel of AccuStats Video Production to watch more international billiard match videos. More of exciting billiard match videos that you can watch in the channel. So, bisitahin na natin to mga kabilyarista. Final match na to mga kabilyarista. Kung sino po kayang manalo sa laban na to ay siya po ang magcha-champion. At napakagaling po ang kalaban ni Efren Bata Reyes dito sa laban na to. Shane Van Boening ng USA. So, current world number 1 billiard player. So, hindi basta-basta. Napakagaling sa buong mundo. Shane Van Boening. Year 2016 nung naganap ang laban na to at sa Efren Bata Reyes ay 62 years old na. Talagang humahataw pa rin. One packet pa ang kanilang laro. So, kailangan may pasok nila ito sa isang butas lamang, sa one packet lamang na designated sa bawat player. So, kailangan maka 8 points po ang bawat 8 balls na bola or points para manalo sa isang rack. So, hindi lamang po ito kagaya ng 8 ball o di kaya 9 ball na dire-diretso lang ang pagkuha, may foul shot ka pag hindi mo nakita yung bola. Pero dito, sa larong to ng mga Amerikano, talagang kailangan matabang yung utak, mag-diskarte ka, matapos magaling ka sa bank shot, at tapos safety shot. At saka, pinaka-importante doon, matyaga ka kasi ibang klase po ang laro na ito mga kabilyarista. Shane Van Boening, a possible bank shot para sa ball number 10. Makapal at nagminti sa kanyang bank shot. Efren Bata Reyes. Pinalayo sa butas ni Shane Van Boening sa packet ni Van Boening para hindi po makapuntos, di kaya yan makashot ng bola sa kanyang packet. So kailangan gawin yun ni Efren Bata Reyes para hindi pa makapuntos itong si Shane Van Boening. Kailangan niya ng 8 points kagaya rin niya. Another bank shot. Makapal pa rin ang tira ni Shane Van Boening. Efren Bata Reyes mukhang intentional shot para sa packet ni Van Boening. Yun. Ibabalik yun sa gitna. So 0 pa rin si Van Boening.
I think it's big in every game.
It is, but we got one pocket not here.
As far he's a pretty bad mistake here.
Safety shot. Efren Bata Reyes. A possible combination para sa ball number 5. Manipis ang tama sa ball number 5. So, Shane, ilalaro niya ang ball number 5 or ball number 4. Possible kasi yun, napuntos na Efren Bata yun, mga kabilyarista. Yun. Grabe yung pamamaraan ni Efren dito. Kailangan madiskarte ka talaga. Kagaya ng ginawa ni Efren. Pinalapit niya yung dalawang bola sa kanyang packet. Shane Van Boening ilalayo ang bola 13. Pati na bola 14. Pero open ang bola 14 para kay Efren Bata Reyes. -1 sa Efren doon, mga kabilyarista, sa pag-intentional shot niya doon sa pag-shoot niya ng packet sa bola ni Shane Van Boening. Ayun, at nakashoot na siya ng isa. So, balik pa rin po siya sa 0. Pag napasok niya ang bola dos, doon lang siya mag-umpisa na maka-score, makapuntos. Oops! Masyadong makapal ang tira ni Magician at iniwan niyang open ang bola 5 kay Shane Van Boening. So, wow. May atim siya dito para sa ball number 2. Bank shot para sa kanyang packet. Tingnan natin. Pasok. So, naka 2 points na si Shane. Pinalapit niya ang bola Jess. Yun. Safety shot ni Efren. Ang diskarte dito, mga kabilyarista, kailangan talaga para hindi ka basta-basta matatalo. Guagwardya mo po o di kaya poprotektahan mo ang butas ng iyong kalaban para hindi siya makapuntos. Ilalayo mo ang bola sa kanilang packet para mahirapan siyang kumuha ng bola. Efren Bata, mukhang bank shot to para sa kanyang packet. At iniwan niyang open kaya Shane Van Boening ng USA. Mukhang delikado sa Efren dito. Sakto ang preparation sa ball number 10. So nakatatlo na sa Shane Van Boening. Ang 4 na yun. Perfect pa rin ang kanyang preparation para sa ball number 8. Pwedeng padaanin niya sa likod ng bola sa ista. Oh, pinaikot pa. Yun, ang preparation niya. Ball number 7 o di kaya ball number 1. 5 points na si
2 or 3 inches,
Shane.
5 inches.
Pang-anim na yon.
That's good enough.
And Shane,
So, pang-pito na yon.
Shane looks like
Perfect pa para sa bola 6. Last shot para kay Shane. Para manalo sa unang rock.
You know why he's got the wrong cue, don't you?
why is that?
Pearl Strickland was his idol.
Oh no, I do know that. And then the shaft could be over 14 millimeters.
Alternate break to. So, sa rock 2, Efren on break.
Applications, they don't have them anymore. But you know what? All that stuff about rules and everything.
Napakagaling po talaga ng kalaban ni Efren. Talagang tinagurihan. Talagang number 1 po talaga to. Current world number 1. So,
He's falling down, I think. I think he's spinning his ball, trying to shoot
utak
that
talaga
shaft
dito. Ang
down
diskarte mo
below
talaga
10,
dito.
and he hit it great. Nice shot. Nice
Dapat
shot.
matalas.
2 rails in the pack, but he ends up a little short.
Grabe po ang kanyang
Could leave a
safety
bank
shot kay
ball
Efren.
position on drawing in between the 6-1.
Sa left corner pocket naman, lower pocket ang butas na Efren.
He did it.
Yun, tinago.
Over the balls.
Pero may possible bank shot dito sa bola 12.
3 or the 12, one of the two. I'd like to leave the 12 there. He's got to make sure he count for the 1.
Safety shot pa rin.
Just great all the way around.
Pero a possible combination para kay Efren.
On top of
2 to 1. Tingnan natin.
off the 12, let the cue ball land right on the 5.
So hindi kinagat na Efren ang
Straight at just a little bit of writing. You can deflect a little
combination na yon.
bit. Lay down right on the 5. Just like that.
Yun.
He actually went into the rack a little harder than I would have, but if he's got to spin this, it may not act like he wants. Oh, that's what I was talking about. If he spin it, the hit on the ball might not act
Medyo
like
nagmadali si Shane sa kanyang tira na yon. Open ang bola 1 para kay Efren Bata at bola 3.
I didn't think the 3 went.
Nako, may break pa to para sa bola 15 at sa bola 10.
Oh, he didn't want to hit the pile there, I don't think.
Unang puntos na Efren dito sa rack number 2.
Be getting a little tired.
Oh, he shouldn't have come, but
Combination, perfect.
Well, he can cut.
funny things happen sometimes, like falling straight in on this 1 somehow, like going off the 6 and hitting the 2 and falling straight in.
Yun lang.
Got a nice double kiss.
Nagkadikit ang bola 6. 3 points na sa Efren. At titira siya sa bola 1.
Yeah, he didn't want to hit that.
Oh,
And he's gotten jacked up, fronted with a bank to
so mag-a-attempt siya dito ng bank shot dito sa ball number 12.
He doesn't really want to disturb a lot of balls here. I don't
Inalabas lang ni Efren.
corner on the 10.
Isang safety shot ang kanyang ginawa. Hindi niya pinatulan ng bank shot na yon.
Around to the 9 and open it up right there. I wouldn't blame him at all.
Mukhang alanganin yun.
You know, he figures to get a shot if he does
So dito,
that.
si Shane Manboning sa bola Jess. Tingnan natin.
His ball much. Yeah, like
Missed it.
Makapal.
trying to play the cue ball.
Oh, manipis.
Elevated over the 7.
Ang tama. Yung tamang salita doon, manipis.
Yeah, well, that would be the safest.
Kicking the 4.
Well, good luck.
Oh, he's taking a foul.
He's sold out. I think he's sold out.
Galing
Cut
ng
on
safety
it.
shot ni Efren.
System much?
Not at all.
No. I'm not much of a system guy either. I know a couple of them, but
You know, it isn't like the table stays constant. You know, if
Well,
it gets
that's-
wet or dry,
Hindi umabot.
something is different.
yeah, and that's what I tell people all the time. Just play off the 12 and freeze Shane to the end rail. Now I think he's got to be worried about Shane playing this one off the 8
Efren
right
Bata.
now. No,
Pinalapit ang bola 12 sa kanyang
a little bit on the wrong side. It could end up in front.
side ng kanyang pocket.
This could be disastrous.
Could be disastrous.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere.
Ooh.
I'm really shocked that Efren left this.
Muntik na.
Going in.
Ganda sana na, no? Daming bola yun.
Doesn't go in automatically if you hit it.
You can't shoot the 8 into it and draw 2 rails up into that upper right hand corner? No?
Wow. Ang galing talaga ng diskarte ni Efren. Nagawang pa rin niya ng paraan yun.
Gets his real first, it's okay because his speed should be good enough. He may not even come up above the 13. Okay, he decided to just
Papalapitan ng bola 8. Masyadong manipis ang tama.
back of the 10, kind of slow it down a little bit. Do something with the
Efren
angle.
Bata.
Too hard of a speed.
Tatabi sa Oso at saka Jess ang bola 1.
He's got to shoot it. He's hot. He's upset because he let up on a stroke.
Yeah, he didn't do anything with that shot. The hair right-hand English overcomes the cut, but he's not shooting that.
Naminusan ng isang shots kanina si Efren. So,
I'm
tatlo pa lang
surprised.
siya ngayon.
Yeah, he's got
Shane Van Boning, 10
all
puntos.
these type of shots are no good playing with players. You may play a lesser player that gets ahead of himself and sells out for no reason, but no, he's going the back of the. Well, everyone better watch out. He's going to leave this young man a nice bank at something.
Mukhang nauubusan na ng diskarte dito si Shane Van Boning ng kanyang safety shot.
Not sure what his thought process is as far as what's going to happen the next couple of shots.
Low shot. Okay pa rin.
So maybe it just laid right on it.
Probably did. 'Cause they were down there watching it close. Efren is jumping up.
Pero matindi rin tong si Efren.
Yeah, what's he doing?
Ganun na naman ang diskarte.
Well, this goes in.
Boy, he took a chance to make it.
Mukhang kuha na dito ang bola, Jess, ha?
Go one rail and put him on to one.
Yeah, but I'm afraid that 13 might fall down a little bit. You know, off that
Ito yung
7.
bata.
You have to hit it super thin from some distance too.
Ayun. Pinalapit ang bola po ata sa kanyang side.
Do a whole lot. Just making the 4 over. He's gonna soft kick him. And again, I'm not sure why he wouldn't remove this 4 ball and put it on his side.
Kailangan makadiskarte dito si
Big
Shane.
shot just right. He's gonna give up some type of 4 ball bank.
Tama sa size.
I think he did.
Nice shot.
I'm not saying it goes, but like Danny,
Right. He can bank it right at the 10.
Ball number 4.
oh, he's playing the 2 off the point, or what's he doing?
12.
No,
Target
he
na
had
Efren.
12. Got the free rail. That went a little bit long.
Ibang klase talaga si Magician.
I know he's upset the way he hit it, but even Efren, that's asking a lot from that.
This is very interesting.
Just playing the 4-2 rails, you can't let up on it either. Hard to get.
I don't like this.
I don't like it either, but I like watching it though.
Oh,
He hit it great.
intentional shot by Van Boning ulit.
The 4 just barely caught the point. I'll tell you what, excuse me, yeah, the 4 just barely caught the point. That wasn't far from being just like perfect.
Diskarte rin talaga tong si Shane.
Figure out what to do.
Efren Bata.
He's gonna have the worst of this.
Grabe. Wow, wow. Ibang klase talaga si Magician. Yung tibay ng tira na yon.
Well, does he have a combination? I think
Not
he
an
does.
easy one, but yeah, he's got one that goes.
So combination to.
Maybe too much.
Double combination.
Got position.
You gotta shoot that with
Galing.
speed.
There it is. He's figuring to get out
5 points na sa Efren. So 3 na lang kanyang kailangan dito. At i-score na rin sa Efren Bata.
the one.
Yeah, I think he's
Yun.
going on the one that way. He doesn't
Open na lahat.
end up going up table and then maybe a scratch or something. I think as thin as that was, I think he
Kailangan
wanted to
diskarte nito. Ayun. Palagayan mo sa gitna ng ano.
Efren Reyes, 1 ball in this final match.
The 11
Di rin tanggap nitong ni Shane. Napakagaling din talaga ang diskarte niya.
Or the 9.
Pang number 8 ni Efren. Yun.
He's shooting. He sent one that way and he mixed.
1-all lang score. Rack 3 na tayo. Shane on break. Grabe yung ginawa na Efren na yun, mga kabilyarista. Talagang sobrang napahanga ko dun sa tira na Efren. Yun ang K-shot doon, kaya nanalo siya.
The 8 might be dead.
Yun.
They're gonna remove that coin here in a second. That was from last game.
Shane Van Boning, cubable scratch. -1 doon. Pagka na-cubable scratch ka, -1. Para magiging 9 balls ang 9 points ang kailangan gagawin mo doon para mabawi yung uuno. Efren Bata, pasok. Ang kanyang unang puntos dito sa Rock 3.
Yeah, he can go 3 rails right to
2 points na siya.
he did.
It's not the same stroke that I myself is used to seeing from Efren, but he still got the job done. He's going to power up, I think, and
Ball number 10.
he's just going to play over. What's he playing over for? Yeah, nice shot.
3 points for Efren.
Yeah, he tried to get the
Come up into
Right.
the 5, right?
right. I don't think he can go to a ball off the 2. He can wait for a
Oh,
ball.
okay. Well,
4 points na si Magician.
yeah, but if he doesn't
12?
make this, he
Look
doesn't
at
make
that.
it.
How about it? Oh,
Wow!
now he's got a better time.
Not a shot.
Pasok pa rin.
Is, say he hangs it, you know, you're giving Shane a chance to bank a ball in and go on out. By cutting the 4 last time,
Pang-anim ni Magician.
Good shot there.
again, hard to question Efren Reyes. He's gonna
Open na. Dalawa na lang para kay Efren.
again, he'll be breaking the balls.
Yung sakto ang bola, Chris. Final shot.
We both
Mabilis na tira yon. So,
New stuff in the
2-1 ang score. Labang na kagad sa Efren Bata Reyes dito. Rock 4. Efren on break.
Buffalo fans deserve more.
Ang bilis ng rock na yon.
Is the best part of the shot.
Yeah, I want to hit the 2 glance off where I go into the stack, though. To be honest with you. I know that sounds a little tricky, but it's you just hit this side of it a little bit. Yeah, he's
He didn't even try to throw it at the stick.
Yeah. Okay, he's shooting.
Base 4 lamang ito.
That's something.
I think it's good.
It's got to be good if he's shooting it.
Pasok na naman.
He's got a bank only.
Pero ang may problema nga lang doon.
He's got trying to figure the 6 over. He was trying
Hindi
to
niya
run into
naprepare
it.
ng bola
Yeah,
dos.
If he hit it full, no worse, have a cut on the.
So, patatamaan niya ang bola 6 at saka bola 15. Ayun.
Good kick.
Ganda naman yun.
Well, he left him a hit on it. That won't be there too long.
You better watch out. Of course, that might move the pink, the 12. So,
Shane Van Boning. Pinalayo ang bola 6 sa packet na Efren.
a traditional one pocket shot, which we haven't seen many of.
But I don't
Hindi
think he
masyadong
wants to
na-break
shoot
to.
it.
So,
No, he's gonna
yan.
thin the ball.
Mag-aatog ng break si Efren.
Yes, he did.
Mhm.
It's a good shot. He's not going to shoot it though.
Okay, something you normally don't want to do. Leave your opponent on the good side of the
Wow.
stack. Then face them.
Efren's inning.
Yeah, and Efren's just gonna edge this 12 ball
Put him
back
back
into
in
the
the
stack.
pile.
Before he gets him there, though, well,
He didn't even try that.
why not? I wonder.
I don't
Save
know.
shot by
It was
Magician.
just as easy as what he did. That little bit
Walang
of
open
range will make it
sa
go
7
long.
bola dyan. Sa gitna.
See how he hits it.
So, medyo magtatagal tong Rock 4.
Well, if he hit it,
No, it went short. I thought it went
he
short.
just didn't let it go. He needed to put a little
Oh,
more
look at that. He left the bank on it too.
Shane's hole. So if he wants to shoot this in and come out to the center of the table for the cut on the 2 or for the 14, he's all right.
It's a true
Nice shot by Magician. Lumapit ang bola 15 sa kanyang packet.
Like trying to come down.
I would stick right there, knock it on your side, and
He's got to cool it down the rail a little, though.
Shane Van Boning.
very little. Didn't have to worry about a cut on the 2.
Now with that 15,
Oh, the 15 is
Iwas na
close,
naman
so
ang
that's
bola.
not helping. You
now
hit
you're going to see Efren probably. Okay, he's not going to do it again.
Talagang pinipilit niya si Shane Van Boning na mag-break dito sa 7 bola na magkadikit-dikit.
I'll tell you what, I take a look at a
Ang
shot.
diskarte ni
Not
Efren.
even looking.
Yeah, well, it's something that's more of a one pocket shot than anything else.
Hinihintay lang niya magkamali si Shane.
want to just feather this and come over? Tell you what, he's asking a lot.
I'll up to 15.
And yours laying like perfect
Yeah,
to do it.
better do it.
So, ganun lang
Last
natin
few
na
shots
siguro
he
to.
didn't try that. He still didn't.
Yeah.
Same amount of accuracy,
Well, maybe, but still got him behind the pile, kind of trapped.
but it's funny when you're playing in a big match, you think your opponent's gonna do things.
Yeah, you think they're Superman. You know?
Yeah.
Tell you what, he hit that nice. He hit that really nice.
Efren Bata.
Fouling on impact, I think.
Yun, nag-break na si Efren.
It was.
Well, he had an opportunity to do that a few times. I guess maybe seeing if he'd sell inch.
Dane doesn't have much.
Safety shot. Patago sa tres.
And that's why I asked a couple times, like, if he had a chance to draw the cue ball down there instead of just laying it like on the middle diamond. I thought he may do that. Our friend, not taking much time.
Efren.
Gonna leave his opponent. He was hoping to leave him jacked up over the balls, I think.
But he's beautiful.
Okay, and he's done really well with that, if you ask me. He's left him thin on this, where he goes to the rail, though, he's got to be aware of leaving some type of six-ball bank. Now, that's what Shane's looking for in a spot like this.
Yeah, anything.
Pero may possible shot dito sa bola size. Pwede mabang shot. Pero
Ball forward,
hindi gagawin yun ni Shane Van Bonin kasi
make effort to shoot a long shot.
mag-o-open si Efren pag nagminti siya. So kailangan niya mag-safety shot. Ayan, at inopen na niya ang bola 15 para kay Efren.
Barely hitting it. Is he
Pero hindi pa rin na pinatos na Efren yon.
grazing the 14?
Nagdadagdag pa siya ng bola.
Graze all right?
For a cow,
So na 1 point pa lang si Efren dito sa rack number 4.
Leaves him up in the corner again. He may get that bank.
So kailangan pa niya ng
Try to
7.
clear his hole.
Yun.
Did really nice there, covering him up on the 11.
Shane nagdagdag ng bola para maging
Shoot the 15, catch the 4.
magkadikit-dikit ang bola dyan sa gitna.
Why would you let him see that? Where he can go behind the
Kasi unti-unti nang na-open kay Efren. Pero pasok ang combination ni Magician.
let him shoot that.
Yeah, he shouldn't have
2
left him there.
points na sa Efren.
Well, he was
Possible combination to.
still got
Oh, he can get to the 10? Well, if he can get to the 10,
10 to 2.
got a hard spin it, it looks like. But
Sabay break. Yun.
he got 10 on the 4, but he's okay.
quite he's pretty thin.
So 3 points na sa Efren.
Rolling, but have to go.
5 na lang.
He didn't want to get straight on this ball, though.
He did.
Grabe yung pamamaraan
A lot
ni
straighter
Magician
than he wanted.
dito. So papaikutin na lang niya to. Tutulak na lang niya ang bullet chest
Cut bank on the 13, but
para magkaroon siya ng magandang preparation dito. Tingin ko lang ha.
That's
You?
what I talked about the rail
Hinun
first.
na ang banda.
oh, he even got to the ball. Look,
Perfect.
You know that.
there's no angle.
No, it's all field. It's all jug.
5 points na sa Efren. 3 na lang.
Back.
That's why they call him the magician.
Pinatay ang... Grabe yung kontra na yun.
These two and the 3 does go. See the 2 rolls out.
Dalawa na lang. Kailangan magawa niya ng paraan ng bola 1. Yun.
Never Reyes needs one to go on.
Efren Bata Reyes. Unang makakyat sa hill.
Pocket Invitational.
Galing.
It's funny. At the beginning,
Tatlong sunod na panalo na Efren. 3-1 ang score. Nasa hill na sa Efren. Rack 5. Shane on break.
Shot on the 15 like Danny was talking about, but
Grabe yung bangis na Efren Bata Reyes, mga kabilyarista.
bank or the ball.
Sa edad na 62 years old.
Okay, no, all right.
Oof.
13.
Hataw na hataw pa rin ang galing na Efren Bata Reyes. Yun, pumasok ang bola 7.
Gotta come away from the stack somehow. Just he wants to make sure he gets a rail here. Didn't want to be the first one on a foul.
Shane Van Bonin, kailangan dumistakarte dito. Kung hindi, matatapos na tong laro na to.
Yeah, see that. I
1 point lang ang kanyang
offered more
score.
options for effort here in a minute.
At number 1 pa naman siya sa buong mundo. Current world number 1 player.
oh boy.
Efren Bata Reyes.
Yeah, this is
Because if he can at least get Shane straight in,
he made it.
well, you know
Wow.
Or Shane can't go anywhere as far as shape. So
Saktong-sakto. Open pa yung ano.
I think it has an angle, and I think he's just gonna
Mukhang delikado to ah.
come down for the 12. May even graze the 5 a little bit.
If he does, that's a great shot.
Oh wow.
Doon, nagmintis si Efren.
We left him there, a pilot.
At open kay Shane. Yun ang malaking pagkakamali doon kasi open na open kay Shane.
I'd go ahead and get on the 8. You don't want to fall straight. You don't want to fall straight.
Big chance to kay Shane kasi tatapisin niya ang kalamangan na Efren dito. So 5 points na si Shane.
No, only 2.
Tatlo na lang
Yeah, he's gonna draw the ball.
na bola.
That's okay. You did good.
Yun,
He did real well.
sakto.
It's a different deal. Looks like he's just going to draw back for the 13. Or the 7.
Yeah.
The 7's okay at the scratch if he wanted to.
Malayo pa yung ball na pinipilihan niya.
Well, I don't
Shane
know
Van Boning, kailangan
what
umiscore.
Efren likes. He's not gonna like anything.
Dead center pocket.
Galing.
Well, there
After
we go.
5 games, Efren Ray invite me here
So
this weekend.
3-2 na ang score. Lamang pa rin ng isang rock sa Efren. Punta na tayo sa rock 6. Efren on break.
You know that's got to be someone great to work for to keep his staff.
Ang ganda ng laban. Hindi pa po tapos. Humahabol po itong si Shane Van Boning ng USA.
Got to be careful where this 2 and this 5's going though. Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Well, he's lucky that ball went in.
Oh, he's lucky that 15 hit that ball.
If he misses the pack, Danny, look at that 10.
Yeah, it's close.
I'm looking straight at it. It's definitely makeable.
Puntos na yun kay Efren. So,
So makeable.
1 point na si Efren.
You can see it right, Danny, in the booth.
I can see it, but I don't think he's gonna get enough speed doing it.
Well, they're all 3 stuck to each other.
Well, this, he'll have it. He didn't make it.
Masyadong manipis. Tumama kagad sa rally. Ang bula 5.
Well, Ray has,
At open kay Efren. Grabe, ilang bula to.
yeah, he can run out. Yeah,
Should get out.
he can win the tournament right here.
Get on
2 points for Efren. Oh, pwede pa sa 4 sa 5 sa ano to. Yun, mukhang tatapusin na yata ni Magician dito.
in on this 3 and
5 na lang para kay Magician.
He can go
he may be able to spin
left
it
to
in
the pile.
back over his hand right now. See? Like that, yeah. He's so good on his split table. He can
Pero
slow that
ball
ball
number
down,
2 yung kanyang
especially
target
if the
dito.
pockets aren't super tight.
So,
It's pretty
4 na
awesome.
para kay
Probably shoot
Magician.
what would be the 6 last. Shoot the 3, have an angle on the 9 to come across for the 5. Like so. Got a
Yun.
little thinner than I wanted. I would have
Para
wanted,
sa
but
preparation sa 5 na naman itong diskarte ni Efren. Wow! Masyadong manipis.
deep shelves. And that's what I say.
Sayang. 5 points na si Magician doon.
Right side rail coming.
So, Shane Van Boning, sigurado ipapasok ko ito. Intentional shot.
And he doesn't think he can either. But if the 10's
So, 6 points na sa Efren. 2 lang kailangan niya.
something that I would try to move.
Kasi safety shot ang tiro ni Shane Van Boning. Ganun talagang gagawin niya kasi kung hindi niya gagawin yun, magiging mitsa na naman ang preparation na Efren yun. Madali lang tirahin.
Doing it off the 5.
Yeah, but then good, you're moving the 5 too much. See where the 5's going? Now the shot becomes useless. Now there's no reason. You really need to leave the 5 there for a threat. Now Efren's just gonna knock this away. Back around where his head streaks at, something like that. Wow, wouldn't have left him on that side, Danny.
Yeah, why did he do that?
Get it around the pocket and cause some problems for
Shane Van
Efren.
Boning
I think it goes.
It may
para
go.
lapitan ng bola sa kanyang pocket.
Well, he caught the point with the cue ball, not what he wanted. If he would have got the cue ball past that point and floating it down there by that 7,
Nice shot.
But he got away with it.
yeah. Gotta watch out where this goes now. He doesn't want to break the pack open.
Grabe yung diskarte ni Efren doon.
That worked out perfect.
2 bolang
Can't do that if
pinalis ni Efren.
yeah, he's got to do this here. Go ahead and wiggle him. Go into him a little bit here. Now, don't float.
A little weak.
Yeah, you want to wiggle the balls a little bit right there. Try and hit that 8-foot point. Like if you go into
Pero
that 8,
matibay
he's
din
gonna
ang
be forced to
safety
step
shot
into
ni
that
Shane
push.
Van Boning.
Okay, nice speed
So
on
hindi
the
na
cue
nakatay
ball.
si Efren. Binrake na niya. Dalawa na lang kailangan niya.
Left side of 15.
So
You do that. I like knocking the 15 from going down to that end rail. Big trouble.
nagpatay ka. Uh-oh.
Surprised he just didn't go ahead and try and shoot it in.
Napalakas ng konti yun.
Down with the cue balls that way.
Pwede na yun.
On the 7, go ahead and follow and make the 15. But Efren made that one.
Made it.
Wow, sambo na lang para kay Magician.
Looks like to me
To win this match. Dito sa Rock 6.
he's okay if he just lets the stroke out with a little
Delikado pa dyan.
let the cue ball check. Said heck with it, I ain't shooting at it.
He didn't.
Can't blame him.
Kala ko sasabihin ni Efren eh.
Kind of upsets me though, because I'm pretty sure he
Last shot. Pero malanganin. Kasi pero kung nagbintis si Efren kasi yun at nag-open, talo rin siya.
won whichever one he likes better.
After needs one ball to win the match, and he's dead. Better not let him use a match.
Shane Van Boning ng USA.
Well, he made that one.
Didiskarte.
See that one.
Pasok. Unang points ni Shane Van Boning dito sa Rock 6.
Lose if you miss it.
Like blinders for a horse, you mean?
Yeah, we used to call one pocket blinkers.
He's not.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, he's holding this ball for
Takul na sa pool.
Beautiful. And he's gonna have position.
Yeah. He's got it.
Isang bank shot to. Bola 8. Tingin ko lang. Safety shot pa kay Efren. Hindi nakuha.
It's not going to be something that gives you much reward. That's what he did. I like the way he shot it for sure.
Hindi man na lang para kay Shane. Kailangan mapasok niya lahat ng mga bola.
If he shot it with a little speed, I don't really see how he could have sold out unless it like doubled the pocket and came back out or something. But
Maglalabanan sila dito siguro sa bola 7.
And Boning's gonna need two.
Sa kabola 10.
yeah, it looks like he's going to draw back for the little cut shot on the 14. He's going to come 2 natural rails around, where he's in rail, side rail, just a little bit before the side pocket. He's going to pull it with outside, I think. Now that's proper there. I would have tried to hit a little bit higher up the rail.
Tapos didiskarte niya. Papalapit niya yung bola 10 sa kanyang table. Ay sa kanyang pocket.
Lose the match here.
Yeah, I don't expect that too much. I expect
Isa kay Efren, dalawa kay Van Boning.
same side.
Dito sa Rock 6.
Flag it in, then one rail to the 7.
Kailangan discarding malupit to.
Okay, that's going to be a little wide.
They're a little short.
Lamang kasi yung may dalawang bola dito eh.
Hey, what do you do, Efren? Does he
Lalo
Tell
na
you what, with the 7 there,
mapalapit pa yung
probably
bola
not,
7.
but the 3-railer
Pero kasi Efren pa rin.
this is one angle that the
See,
3-railer, the speed on your 3
kailangan
is going to be
ma-discard
pretty
yan ito.
good, and the cue ball is going to be pretty shoots at this. Like so.
Yun. Yun.
No, no, no.
Yun ang
I don't like
sinasabi
shooting
ko.
that 3-railer very often, but when it's late and not giving up
Pero
a bank on the
palalapitin lang
7,
yung Shane lang yan. Yan. Gagamit ng dalawang reel.
Okay.
Tatlong reel pa.
Well, he didn't leave a bank.
Masyadong
on the
malakas.
No, and he got the 10 in a nice spot.
seven. He does have a 2 rail on it. 7 is like not shootable.
You got to worry about the cue ball a little bit going back and forth for that upper right hand corner and a
Rail on
scratch.
this.
Yeah, but you don't want to find a scratch.
Talagang ganun pa rin.
Uh-oh.
Maagang tumama sa ano.
He left the bank.
Yeah, and this is one that the
Sa reel.
7 in, shoot the spot shot for the game.
I don't think you have to lose pocket speed on the 10 if you wanted to do that. You could dig on the cue ball and certainly do that, but I think he's going to try and just make it and then get the 7 in play. Like so.
Oh, he hit it good.
Yeah, he hit it great.
Wow!
He hit it great.
One-on-one na to.
He's surviving.
Yeah. And now
Pag nanalo si Shane Van Boning dito, it's a heel-heel match.
He
Pero pag sa Efren, tapos na po ang laban. Kasi namang may isang rock sa Efren. Nice ball lamang po ito mga kabilyarista.
Nothing dangerous.
Yan, diskarte ito talaga. Kailangan, diskarte mo na Efren to.
Efren's got to be a little more worried about putting the spot than he does.
He does.
I wonder if, I know I keep bringing it up, but I wonder if Efren's still thinking about that 10 ball.
Kung shoot ang Efren to.
No, I don't think so either, but he did have a pretty good shot to win the match right there. And the funny thing is, when he shot the safe on the 10, he had to know he was going to give him a bank.
He left him a bank here.
He did leave him a bank. And he beat the kiss, though. Draws it up.
Hinabihan pa sa Efren.
Kiss. If he hits it with a
Tumitingin
high
sa
ball,
Efren.
he's going to kiss if he draws it. No, he didn't.
Wow, muntik na yun ah.
I hope somebody got a picture of that. You don't see Shane lean over the absolutely.
But sometimes you win, you want to lose
Grabe yung
badly.
diskarte ginawa niya.
Well, he's a
Shane
fighter
Van
for
Boening
sure.
daw.
All these guys are. All right, that was a
He
great
left
hit.
the bank. He left the bank.
He left the one really. He
I
can hit
think
with
he's
a,
going to make everything.
he can hit this with a high outside too.
Yeah.
And keep the cue ball safe.
Well, this is going to come close.
Hits it a little thin though. That cross corner scratch is sitting there. Like, oh baby.
It's going to be dripping.
Grabe.
Team 8. Now, Efren's got to have good speed on this.
He's got to hit it with a good stroke, too.
Yeah, or else the cue
and
ball
a draw.
scratch. Oh boy.
Oh, he double
He's
kissed
gonna get
it.
lucky here. No, he's
Ayun,
So he's
na
so
nagbintis sa Efren.
He double kissed it. He doesn't like it.
Masyadong mahina yung tama ng 7.
He will. Right in.
Oh, sumayad din sa ano. 3-all lang ang score. Hindi pa po tapos ang laban mga kabilyarista. Rock 7 tayo at final rock. Dito sa isang napaka-exciting na laro ni Efren Bata Reyes at Shane Van Boening. Talagang grabe ang tensyon.
He's going up table. He's just taking in the 9.
Nakahabol pa si Shane Van Boening. Final rock of the match at final match to mga kabilyarista. Kung sino pa mananalo, champion na po.
I would have had to look at maybe kicking behind the 8-10 some type of way at the beginning, right after the break. But hey, didn't want to sell out the 7.
So, grabe pa rin, no? Kahit matalo man sa Efren dito,
Oh, he almost hit the
at the age of 62 years old,
The beauty of the shot, they were,
humahataw pa rin. At
well,
biruin nyo, world number 1 player ang kanyang kalaban ngayon.
uh-oh. He
Final
might
match pa.
scratch.
I'm gonna scratch.
Siya pa ang
But is he
unang
gonna-
nakahil.
Never mind. Excuse me. But this isn't going to get much better for Efren. I don't see. I know he made a shot we talked about a second ago where he power shot and leaving those balls doubled
Pero
up.
hindi pa po natin alam kung sino
Go off
mananalo
this
dito.
ball, I don't think. I think I would just. Yeah, that was a mistake here. I think he left him at the 13. Run out City.
Yun.
Think the 13 goes right in. Maybe not.
He did.
He lost a lot of control.
Mukhang
trying to knock
lamang
this
yung
thing
bola
off.
kaya siya hindi dito mga
Now he's
kabilyarista.
might have given up the championship.
Pero open, pala yun.
Oh, he got a little
He's got the
picky.
7 though. 7 goes, 9 and 8.
Unang puntos na Efren.
Rather than giving up your position.
Pero para doon sa kanyang isang mistake, kaya 0 pa rin siya. Ayan, at unang puntos niya dito, 0.1 na siya, 1 point na siya.
The whole thing is, whatever you do, don't miss.
That's right.
So nabawi lang niya pa yung puntos niya doon sa unang
Stroke he's made this match.
shoot niya ng bola, doon sa mistake niya.
Yeah.
So 2 points, Efren Bata Reyes,
Again, when you know you're making a mistake.
I always
dito
tell
sa
him,
final rock.
when you get that doggish feeling, make sure
Wow,
of the final.
tumama pa sa ano,
To 3. Did you see that?
bola 3. Pero napaganda.
15 over a little bit maybe.
Possible combination niya
He
mamaya.
has to elevate here though. You don't want to glance off the 4 and go to the end rail. He's overcut this.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
grabe oh.
Right.
Now, if he can kick, he's okay. If he can get to
Manipis.
the 6,
Yeah, I think he could. He
he's got
could.
plenty of chance here in this game.
He
Van Boening.
did.
Yeah, he really needed to get the cue ball froze. Shane doesn't have any, but you notice balls down on this end of the table, it'd go a long way for him to freeze him on the back of this 8 right here.
That's what he's doing. Not quite hard enough.
Nice
No,
shot.
but he didn't let him see the 6, but here's that high ball. Letting his stroke out.
Bonus lang ang
all the way
pwedeng
back down.
tirahin.
Oh, well, he's hitting a withdrawal and doing the
He's
same thing.
banking the 2.
For a bank
Yeah,
shot.
I like the 13 better.
Something bad
I
can
don't think he
happen
ever
with
saw
the
this.
2.
Yeah, this takes all the execution in the world.
He didn't get it.
No.
Masyadong maaga ang tama sa reel. Efren Bata Reyes.
Really passed up on a nice 2-rail bank though last shot where he could play it with speed and maybe trapped effort too.
The 8
Tama
two
lang
is
siya. Patago.
tried,
Maybe
but
trying to get the rock behind the 2.
Yun.
that 2 is dangerous, that combination.
The 9's real close. If he left on the 9-ball twist.
Efren Bata, 3 points pa rin.
I think he did.
Medyo na-stuck po si Magician sa 3 points dito sa Rock 7.
Certainly
Shane Van Boning, 0 points pa rin.
ball and deflect right into that 12. He can hit it with a pocket speed too. Like so. Boy, he hit it nice though, believe it or not.
Good speed. And
Masyadong makapal.
Yeah, about that high ball, you get to play it with a better speed there and bury him. Better watch out for a kiss here though. Can't 3-rail it. Yeah, that's what I was worried about, letting up on it a little bit.
good shot.
As long as the 13 is not banking, like if the 13's aimed into the 2, where he can go ahead and let it out and draw back behind these balls, he's not worried about the 13
It
coming back.
is it to do what you're calling about. I mean,
Yeah, unless he can do it with a touch to where the 13 doesn't come
oh,
back
he
down.
didn't hit it.
Oh,
Alright.
break
Okay.
na Shane.
If you let him see the 10 though, he ain't gonna like it.
Oh, he's in trouble.
Open kasi yung bola 9 kay Efren. Yun ang pinotektahan ni Shane Van Boning.
Get the 9 and pinch it.
He can come off the
Kasi hindi
15.
siya makakatira dun sa malayo.
It's not
At
easy though.
mag-open sa kanya ang bola 9. Galing din ang diskarte ni Shane Van Boning.
Great shot.
Pero grabe.
Great shot.
It was.
Ibang klase talaga si Magician. Naprotektahan pa yung bola 9 kaya Shane Van Boning.
Stop even if you run into
Wow na wow.
You're gonna stop as long as you're on the good side of it.
Yun pong isang napakagandang tira na Efren dito mga kabilyarista. Muntik na siya nasupol doon.
He may even send the 8 towards his hole off the 12 some kind of way or something.
So nabaliktad ang pagkakataon dito.
Wow,
It's really hemmed up. No, you can't see it anyway. Never mind. I'll bring it up. I don't think he's going to go the rail this time. I think he's got to draw this straight down.
Nangayon
Hopefully that
dito.
13 ball hits the 2.
stole out to 9.
Oh,
He stole out to 9.
possible shot sa bola 9. Alanganin pa rin.
Oh, I think he's got the 9, but he doesn't want it. He might make this 14.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to baby too much. I would hit it with a speed to where I give it a good chance of going.
No, he didn't hit it full enough.
Yeah, I would have stunned my ball more. Oh, you can see the 9?
Might be kicking that combination. The 6 looks dead.
Oh,
Yep,
oh,
Grabe.
good shot.
wow. He's a little upset he got so thin. And that way, if you get a cut on the 10, you come
Pero
up with all the balls.
walang
He's playing for
open.
4.
Ball 15. Possible shot para kay Efren. 4 points na sa Efren. 4 na lang po ang kailangan niya.
Maybe like 5 rails.
Yun.
He didn't hit it hard
No,
enough.
you hit it perfect. What do you mean?
Oh, he did. Look at that.
So, 3 na lang para kay Magician.
Right underneath the 8.
Did he roll it
Efren
in?
Bata Reyes.
I
Mukhang
don't think he's
makikita na
looking
niya
at that
dito ang
right though. Yeah, but that's the one
panalo
I like
dito.
right
Ayun, no?
there.
Yeah, it was natural.
Yeah, if you get straight, you
Bola
can come
8.
up to 13. If you get a little
Sakto
angle, you can
preparation.
bump to 3. Really hard.
So, 2 na lang para kay Magician. Dito sa final rock.
2 years in a row.
Pero parang alanganin pa rin. Preparation po.
He did what you said.
Ball number 13.
It's over.
Efren Bata Reyes.
Oh, did he get it there? You don't have to duck it.
Wow! Safety shot pa yung mga kabalyarista. Grabe po talaga tong si Magician. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood mga kabalyarista. At champion na naman po si Efren Bata Reyes sa larong to. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, Sir Dan TV, mag-subscribe na po kayo at pindutin ang notification bell. I-like po ang ating video at share po ito at mag-comment down below para ma-upload po na ma-shoutout po ko kayo sa sunod nating upload at malaman natin kung saan napunta ang video na to. Maraming salamat po at God bless po.